Hello, welcome to Dotcom. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to use the divider element on Dotcom. Are you facing difficulties in organizing your website's components or sections? Having a divider helps to separate pieces of content into clear sections. This makes the layout clearer and more digestible for users. How? Go to the desired theme page in your Dotcom account and click Elements. Drag and drop the divider element to the design canvas. Hover over the element. You can customize it through 3 sections. 1. Divider element. Click the edit icon to start customizing your divider element. A customization panel loads on the right side of the screen with 3 tabs. Go to the Content tab. Choose a suitable style from the drop-down menu. Adjust the width of the divider using the range slider for different screen types: desktop, tablet, and mobile. You can also choose a unit, px, m, or rem. Dotcom also lets you adjust the alignment for different screen types. Now, switch to the Style tab. Adjust the color of the divider. Click the globe icon to choose from the global colors. If you want to use any other color, click on the color box and pick a color of your choice from the color picker tool. Next, adjust the divider height using the range slider. Adjust the gap of the divider for different screens like desktop, tablet, and mobile. Navigate to the Advanced tab. Here, you can change the margin, padding, and width value of the divider element for different screen types. Also, you can customize the Z-index, CSS ID, and CSS classes. The next section in this tab is Visibility, where you get to hide the divider on desktop, tablet, or mobile screens. That is all about the divider element. 2. Container column. The next section in our tutorial is container column. To edit it, click the edit icon. Go to the Content tab. Here, adjust the different column parameters like column width, column gap, alignment, and widget space for different screen types. Switch to the Style tab. It has 2 modes, normal and hover. Here, you can customize different style parameters for the background and border for each mode separately. Under the Advanced tab, you can customize the margin, padding, and visibility of the container column. 3. Container row. The final section in this tutorial is container row. Hover over the container row and click the edit icon. Like the container column, you can customize the content, style, and advanced settings here. Select the Content tab. Here, you can adjust the content width, height, row gap, column position, vertical align, and HTML tag. Switch to the Style tab. It has normal and hover tabs. Under each mode, configure the background and border customizations of the container row. Navigate to the Advanced tab. Here, you can customize the margin, padding, and CSS parameters. Further, you can configure the responsive and visibility. That is all about the container row in the divider element. In addition to the above customizations, you can also carry out general customizations on your divider element. To change the position of the divider, hover over it and locate the 6 dots icon. Click, press, drag and drop the icon to move the element to the desired position on the page. To create a new container, hover over the divider element and click on plus. To duplicate the element, hover over it and click the copy icon. A duplicate copy of the element gets added below the existing one. Click on the delete icon to delete the divider element from the page. Save the changes and click preview to see the updated design. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with designing your website. If you have any queries or concerns, please reach out to our implementation specialist or contact our support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching.